Well, that's the end of another bathroom DIYs, and even with 35 years experience, I was walking on that fresh tile yesterday and I didn't notice it till this morning, but I actually cracked it. Even though it was clipped, but it had a weak spot because of the floor waste, and not realising it, but I'd cracked it, so you just got to take it out. The owner's going to grout it for me. He's been watching everything I do, so he's learned heaps with this whole bathroom. So I'll leave him a bit of grout and he'll grout it up. So yeah, it's a nice lovely shower, ensuite toilet. Yeah, neat. I do like the 12x6 tile. I really do. It's neat. They're a lot slower to lay and harder because they're heavy and you're handling them all the time. But once they're down, it's all neat. Okay, we'll see you soon.